Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and mod mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answer. A is 0, B is 2, C is 4 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. If you see, we will discuss here two rules, what mass and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve this one first. So, here we have to write like, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one. But this bracket contains two operations. One is multiplication and other one is addition. So first we have to solve division and multiplication according to the rules. So here we have to solve this part, which is this one. So we will write 4 multiplied by 7. So 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, 7 3 the 21 and 7 4 the 28. So we will write 28 plus 8. And multiply by 2 again, we will write this part all as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 multiplied by 7 equals to 28. Now move forward. Step number, again we will repeat step number 1, which is solve all the bracket. So we have this bracket which is 28 plus 8. So we will write 28 plus 8 means 36 multiplied by 2 and divided by 3 raised to power 2 bracket 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2. Again we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 28 plus 8 equals to 36. Now we have solved one bracket. Now we will go for another bracket, which is this one. But inside the bracket, we have two things. One is the order or exponent part, and another one is multiplication. So first we have to solve the exponent part, which is this one, according to the rule. So we have to solve the first the exponent part. So what we have to do, we will write 36 multiplied by 2, again divided by, we will write as it is, and 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9 multiplied by 2, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now we have solved the exponent part. Now we have to solve the multiplication in this bracket. So we have to write this part as it is and write 9 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 18. And here we have to give the reference 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Now we have solved step number 1 and 2 as it is in this expression. So now we have to solve the division and multiplication because we do not have any bracket. So now we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. First we have this multiplication. So we will multiply both of them. So we will take calculator help, 36 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 72. And divided by 18, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 36 multiplied by 2 equals to 72. Now we have two terms which are dividing each other. So 72 divided by 18, we get the answer is 4. So the answer of the given expression is 4. If you go for answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm down and bot mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.